What's up, guys? This is Donna with Sinful Productions. I got something else I'm gonna install today. I got two things. I'm gonna try the one. The other one is not that important. I really don't care about it that much. It's just something that just felt like buying and give it a try. But grab this out of the truck. Alright. So today, this product it's one of my sponsors for the truck. I've had them probably about a year, I would say, and I never installed the product in my truck, which sucks, and I feel bad for it. But now that the truck is more close to being done and it's a new year, a lot more things are going to be done to it, and kind of be more into getting into the shows more than last year I did. So I figured it'd be a good time to install it while I'm home off of work. So the product I'm installing today, I'm sure some of you guys heard of it, some of you probably haven't, is POP&LOCK. You can tell I had the box for a while. It's kind of all torn up. Now I have a little zip tie coming out. But POP&LOCK, what it does is, you know how the 2017 F250s now have where you can unlock and lock your tailgate from your key fob. And this will do it to your truck. This one right here I have is model PL8250. And it's for the Ford F-150 1997 and up, and the F-250 350 99 and up. And then it also works for Explorer Sport Track 2001 and up. And I'm not sure if I needed this, but it's for extension harness for crew cab. It's the model PL9510. Figured order that just in case, because I know my luck, if I don't order it, I'm gonna need it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to attempt to install this. I'm not sure how great that's going to be and how easy it's going to be, because you got to tap into wires down in the floorboards, and that should be fun. That's the fun part. So I've seen some install videos of this, and it seems all right installed, not too bad, not the hardest thing in the world, but is you can kind of mess up on it pretty easily, especially with the tapping into the wires and the wire harness and the full board. But so let's get started. Before I didn't have enough time, and one of the things I've done, I actually broke these pins right here. They're a pain in the ass to take out, so I end up just breaking them. I still got two more on this side, but they were just a pain in the ass, and when I was pulling them out, they broke. But you can just go to AutoZone or your local parts store, auto store, and get some new pins, so it's not that big of a deal. And another thing you guys might want to need, I don't have it, of course, but I know Walmart sells these the little prying tools that has like little two teeth that go between these pins like this. I don't have one of those, so I got to use pliers, and I'm probably just end up just breaking these two, because I can just buy new ones. So I know I look right retard, but whatever.
Over the city in an airplane, I can see everything below. Over the city in an airplane.
Aha. Forgot a screw. Yeah, that's what you mean. Pain in the ass one. There it goes. I'll put that over there, so that's out. So now we can actually get into the this whole locking system here. Alright, I'll show you guys what comes with this kit. I don't want to mess up the box anymore. Alright. Don't need that. Alright, so got long wire right here. Got a shorter one. We got the actual POP&LOCK locking system right here. We got a bunch of black zip ties so you can run wires, make them look all neat. And then you got instructions, you got your nuts and washers in here, and you also got two splice connectors in there as well. So this is all the stuff that you get inside that box. And I ordered that, of course, but I probably won't really need that, but just in case. Alright, so you want to use a 7/16 And you see those two bolts right there, right here. So you just want to take that one loose. Take it out. And it has the built-in washer in the back of it. So set that to the side, and then we'll put the pop lock in there. Take this system right here, and just sort of shove it right up in there. Well, that wasn't too bad. So I got it in there. I had it actually in there backwards at first. It wasn't fitting, so just flipped it and was able to put it in there. I was trying to put it through this hole and this hole. That didn't work. I just put it through this one since there's nothing in the way, just to get into the tailgate, and then you got to maneuver around this bar right here. And you don't actually use this same nut and washer because it will not fit. It hits into the side of the wall here, so that's the reason why they give you a new washer and a new nut. So we'll put that on. I got that in there. I put the washer on first and then put the nut on there. But seemed pretty good. So now let's get these cables hooked up, and then we'll run it down the tailgate. I'm not sure exactly where's the best place. There's a hole right here, so I think I might run it right there. So let me do that. So I'll hook up these wires, just the color code, blue to blue, green to green, but it all depends. Doesn't really show you instructions of what wires to splice into. We gotta kind of figure that out. And it doesn't really matter if they're backwards. If they're backwards, it's easier to change it over back here than in the where the wiring harness underneath the truck. So I'll just hook it up to color to color. Alright, so let's move the truck some concrete, because now you get on the ground. I gotta run this cable. And there's the one coming from the tailgate. I gotta connect it and then just run it down the frame and bring it up to this passenger side, front passenger. And I gotta splice into violet gray and violet brown / tan. So yeah, so alright, should be fun. So finally just got done. Got all the wires ran up to the front of the front passenger side. Got them all spliced in. I'm not sure in my previous part of this video, I don't know if I said violet tan, but it's actually violet gray and gray tan. So those are the two wires, and there's multiples of those colors. There's like 3 of each, and it doesn't matter which one you splice it into, because they all run together and then they splice into one and go straight to the back of the truck. So it doesn't matter, out of those 6, as long as you're hooked up to one of those 6 of each color, you're good. So I got running down underneath the carpet here, drops underneath the truck, and then it falls down the frame. So I still gotta dress that in a little better, zip tie everything together, make it look all pretty and stuff. But I can show you guys how this thing works. So the reason why, I'm pretty sure you can hook it up to your driver's side as well, but I hooked up on passenger side because I had that feature. You can change it on your truck, you can change it on your settings if you want the double unlock click. And what that is if I hit the unlock button, it only unlocks the driver door. If I hit it twice, it unlocks the other 3 doors. So I have it hooked up to the other 3 door. So the way I have it unlock my tailgate is to click it twice and then lock it. So lock it just once, of course, but I know you can change that setting on your trucks if you want to, but I like that setting to where my tailgate won't unlock unless I really want it to, and I know it will. So so this is unlock and this is lock. So can't get in. That's unlock again. And now I'm able to get into my tailgate. So this is a pretty cool feature. Of course, you can still use the manual lock if you want to, and this isn't really something like anti-theft protection or anything like that. It helps, because these tailgates get stolen a lot, but it still has the manual lock exposed, so they can put a screwdriver in there and pop it, unlock it, whatever. But I also got one of these locks on the tailgate as well, just for, takes long for them to break into it. So, but they usually try to steal the platinums or whatever, the douchebag trucks. But anyways, so I'm gonna get this all dressed in, get it dressed in and down there, and then get ready. And then we're going out to eat, and then we're heading over to this little show, little local show over there in Daytona that a bunch of racers and a few trucks go to. So just something to do on Thursdays nights. So yep. So let me get this done, put everything back together, and then we'll head out. Alright guys, so show you guys the finished product while it's all back together and you're using the truck as normal. So I got everything up, tailgate's in, so it's locked, and I got it hooked up to where, of course, like I was saying, you gotta press the unlock button twice. So that's just unlock the driver's door, unlock the tailgate, and there you go. Lock it back up. It's one of those things that you just never thought that you would use or be cool, but I mean, I already love it. I mean, because I tend to sometimes forget that I had the tailgate locked, and I've mistakenly done that before, and while I was in North Carolina, so I had all my tools stolen from back of my truck one day. So lesson learned. You learn it, pay for it, like I always say, and you learn from your mistakes. So this is a solution for it. So be sure check out Pop&LOCK, get yourself one, and let them know that I sent you over. So alright, later guys.